Hi, my name's Bob Barber. I own Paintworks in Stowe, Pennsylvania. Hate to admit it, but I've been painting over 50 years now. Over the years, we've been quite fortunate enough to win the DuPont Top Gun Award 3 times. I've used a dozen different paint guns. I can honestly tell you that this gun here from Eastwood ranks right up there with the best of them. I highly recommend it. We've done cars that have been on multiple national magazines, from Hot Rod to Muscle Mustangs. I had a dragster that was in the NHR Museum of Pomona, and literally we cannot afford to do something that doesn't look good. So this Eastwood gun, I have no problem using it on a car if it's going in the next magazine.